Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock apps and hide files on Vivo X300 and X300 Pro. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to enter the settings. So we need to open up the settings app. Now we need to scroll down until we see security and privacy. And here we need to scroll down. And here we have the privacy settings section. Now we can go over to the app encryption first, and I'll show you how to lock the apps. So you need to create a privacy password, and since I already have one, I'll tell you that you need to make sure that this password is secure, and whenever you see a notification that your password is a security alerted password that is easy to guess, then just change it. And my password is 123456, so make sure to not put the same password as me. It's very important. And here we are in the app encryption. Now I'll choose the albums app to be encrypted, so whenever I try and open up the app, then it will ask me for my privacy password. Let's open up the albums, and here we have the information to enter the privacy password. Let's go over and enter it, and now we are in the photos. Now, if you guys want to hide the files, we're going to use the pictures here. So here we have the picture. We can go over here to more and click on hide. Now, as you guys can see, we will be able to view them in the albums, settings, and hidden photos. So let's click hide. Now here we are in the albums. Now we can go over here, settings, and here we need to scroll down to hidden photos. Now this photo is hidden right here. As you guys can see, this does not require any password because this app is already privacy locked. And if you would ask in the comment why the app is not unlocking with the passcode, but it's unlocking normally, then it's because we have the settings set like that. So as you guys can see, app lock time 1 minute after the screen is closed. The screen is locked or app is closed. We can do it instantly. And now whenever we try and open up the albums, we will enter the password. Now we will try and enable it back. After a couple of seconds, we should be able to actually get it. Now, what you guys can do is, if you want to hide something else, then you just go into photos, choose another photo, click more, click hide, and here you can click don't remind me again. Now you will see it in those two dots, settings, and basically what we found before. So the hidden photos. Now here we can go over and unhide them or delete them. It's totally up to us. And what you guys can do next is do the same with the files that you have on your device. So I do not actually have any files. As you guys can see in the file manager, I do not have any files that are somehow hideable. We can use this not the lock screen, but the ringtone as an example. And basically we can move it to private space, but as you guys can see, it's not a file exactly, it's an MP3 file. So I won't be able to hide it. I can only put it in the private space, which I've talked in a different video. So make sure to check that out because I think it's much better than the app encryption and file hiding. So that's it for the video. Now you know how to easily lock your apps and how to hide files on the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro. If this video was helpful, consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us. And that's it. Bye.